So guys, what is up? We are recording Jack. You meet Tyler. So you ready? We're doing Destiny. It is Jack's account. Sloth Child 123. You can be friends with him as well on Xbox. I was like, the FJ Lion. So my squad video. This is where rebels are like in it like half level or something. Or is it only just go up a level?
Half level.
Yeah, so I'm saying speak up. But like, this is just a Destiny video. Episode 1, yeah. Are we playing online or something?
Yeah, we're on Match Crucible together.
We're going to match Crucible. I don't know anything about this. Just I'm cooking what they're saying. So, guys, this is going to be quite a long, quite a short video. For like 15 minutes. But this is Jack's account, as I said. And he is he's getting on Xbox One and he's actually going to be getting all the DLC. So if you want to play them, I'm sure Jack will find that, won't you, Jack?
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'm getting Ark, which will be a new series on Xbox One. So you can play with us in that. I always get played with
Alpha Team.
Skyrim. What's that?
Skirmish.
That's this, isn't it?
Today, basically, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be reviewing this gun. It's called the Stranger's Rifle. It's a pulse rifle. Basically, if you don't know what it is, it shoots 3 bullets.
We just do shots, but no one wants to film it. And that Sam didn't know what a pulse rifle for, and I didn't, so I said, "I'm playing you like this." Like,
oh my god!
Yeah, pulse rifle.
Yeah. It's called the Stranger's Rifle.
Yeah. Is it a good gun then, Jack?
Yeah, it's pretty much kind of the most OP gun in PvP apart from the bomb. No, Sam, that's a super.
I know, but I love the wrong thing.
No, you did not do.
It's bigger than yours, man.
Oh!
No.
Your name's like 2 inches tall. Well, tall when stood up.
Cool.
Couple kilometres gone over big, isn't it?
I tried to fuck him off mine, but I couldn't.
Yeah, the lad.
What?
Oh,
It's like that combination, they're very weird. So this, as I said, this is Destiny. Took a pretty decent graphics. Not amazing, because we tried the Elgato or something went wrong. And it's not working.
so at the moment I'm playing with my Titan, who's level 30. My highest level guy is my Warlock, who's level 32.
Should we play a war? What next episode, Jack?
I've got a lot better guns than my Warlock, so whatever. But yeah, today as I say we are reviewing the Stranger's Rifle. It's pretty good.
No.
As you can see, it's OP.
Jack's just getting to know things, kills and this. They've got a lot of life. It's easy. It's harder than COD, isn't it, to kill somebody? Not shooting like 9 times. Is there any shotguns on this?
Shotguns from close range.
Are you using a shotgun now?
And they're also. Oh my! I didn't expect that.
I've got
the last words. I've got the fan favorites.
It's cool.
Yeah, at the moment, I mean, this is the party crash of this one. It's got high recoil. Oh my god. Oh, I took them all down to low health and didn't kill one of them. Oh
so I guess it's just the new series in Destiny. We've done loads of COD before. Jack, you're nerd at Destiny. I'll just do some videos on that. Like, we don't mind calling nerd. You know, say nothing. You don't know a few things about it. This is just kind of it.
I like bullying this on.
So what do you think about gun, Jack?
The Stranger's Rifle.
Yeah.
Heavy ammo.
It's a good gun. Basically, you get given this gun by completing the. I don't really got heavy ammo. Yeah, you get completing the campaign. Basically, it's on. It's on
Heavy ammo.
3 times. Well, twice because my hunter. Right, I'll show you the shotgun. That's the shotgun.
That's a good gun.
Right, are you ready? Oh, I need to find someone then. Watch this. Superman! Oh, I'm missing.
What the hell? I played Destiny, but I'm not as good as Jack at all. He's miles up than me.
Oh my god, he's got a bubble.
Like, I've played it like once or twice. Like, I made Jack may let me have a go.
I will let you have
But it's KFC Master One. Well, who cares?
I like chicken dooley on Master KFC.
We go down to a small shop called God's Beds there. You know, we'll be back up in the monster.
Oh my
So we don't
god.
it's half 11 and I'm not even tired yet, so I should have had them shots, shouldn't I?
Well, it won't be real shots, but yeah.
Yeah, we had tiny shots of Dr. Pepper. Should we do some later again?
Oh my god, Crystal Havoc. Look at the guy, look at Angry Unicorn.
Yeah, can you do the commentary? I'm just laying down for a bit and all.
Okay,
I'm not
okay.
bored, I'm just laying down for a bit.
Come hither, little child.
No, I'm not tired, I'm laying down.
Another kill. Actually, probably get the level 7 by
By the way, me and Jack are rebels.
shoulder charging.
He is thingy. He is 12 and I am thingy. I'm 10 and nearly 11. So we start with my rebels. It's like midnight now. When's it, Jack?
That time.
So hot. How long are these games, Jack?
There's 7 minutes left. I'm gonna bully the level 7 again. Oh, okay.
You can bully him.
Okay. I know what it is. Where's Sam gone?
I don't know. I'll have a look for Sam. Jack, you do the picture.
Okay.
Sam?
Let's get to special on
I
that.
think he's going to be on it.
Oh my god, I guess I'm ready.
So, which should you prefer the shotgun like you said? No,
The strange rifle. Because it's
is that one your favourite gun?
strange rifle. For PvP, yeah.
What's your best favourite
Shoulder
gun in the
charge.
game?
The phone, but I don't have it.
The like that you've got.
For PvP or
Just say them. What's your favourite game?
Heavy ammo in
game.
Who's your favourite?
Oh, I'm
yeah.
getting bullied. I don't need you, heavy ammo. I'm Superman someone if I actually hit him this time. Oh my.
Do you call it Superman? Did you hit him?
Yeah. Well, it wasn't a proper Superman. But
Superman kill. I had my phone tonight. I was looking smaggy, wasn't I? And I was going down
he has a bubble.
Oh, is that one of them super bubbles?
Yeah. You're mine.
What do they even do?
I have to protect you.
That's true.
Oh my god. The Ash Factory. Oh my god. 5 minutes remaining.
You're probably thinking, oh, so gay, keep sleeping together. Well, I'm top jail with my friend, and he is. I'm gay, What are you talking about?
Bully.
Why are you even doing YouTube? We've got 14 views in 13 hours. How shocking is that? Please subscribe. Everyone's just viewing another.
13 hours? You mean like? You mean like what? Oh my.
Well, it says 13 hours, but it's actually been up like
Penis.
2. Because it's been uploaded for hours and hours and hours. Been uploading for a skill day. So, like, people who've just been watching it and not, like, subscribing or liking, please subscribe and please like. Other channels like Awesome Falcons, even Anti Gaming HD, they are going to get things they stop doing, but we have got some decent videos on there. I've done 2 episodes of Destiny, which are pretty decent. But on the first one, I missed like the beginning because I actually clicked on the wrong one. So, it's just like pretty messed up. So I hope that if you're watching, you like them. And I hope that you prefer this our main channel. I'm going to stick to it out here.
Next video, we can review the Heathen Vengeance, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's the Vault of Glass. Vault of Glass.
Is this really
Rocket launcher? No. Oh, I thought that was cool. Oh my god.
what was the yell?
Don't know. Last word. Top 3 things that I hate. The Thorn Hunters and yeah, Thorn Hunters and level 7s. My favourite gun. Yeah, because when I'm up against it, it's just someone on.
Why is it overpowered?
Yeah, it's not there. Well, I don't. Well, top two things that I hate is Horde and Hunters, and then Black Sword.
Why hunters?
Because they have space sabers with blade dancers
Falling
basically.
behind.
But they run around with blades.
Heavy ammo.
Well, I hate them, and then the golden peanuts,
Gains the lead.
which is basically just an overpowered.
Why is it called golden peanuts?
It's called the golden gun, but I call it the golden peanuts because it's just fine.
Heavy ammo available.
So if Jack ever says golden penis, it means golden gun. So like, don't get mixed up. So you go to your mum, Mommy, guess what? I just got the golden penis, but I got your dad's golden penis anyway, so I don't care. They're too small to see. I got the recipe. Oh, look. My dick is too small.
Victory imminent.
I got the recipe.
Oh my god. Ah!
This is much harder than club. I can tell by watching it. Can
Oh, it's Mr.
Can
Superman.
I go after on the like
Yeah.
main thing here?
Yeah, 2 minutes remain.
I don't want to go now because it's really hard.
Missions, man.
I'm going to go off my room.
Yeah, missions.
Career mode.
I don't know career mode. There is no career mode there.
Oh.
Story mode.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is
Lost
just.
the lead.
Yeah, I've completed it.
Yeah, it's almost into the oh, that's not bad.
Well, probably not that long actually, because. Oh my god, I got killed there.
Revenge this defeat.
Oh, wow.
Oh, we lost. Anyways, see you in a bit. And we'll see you next time when I'll be reviewing the Heathen Vengeance and when Leo plays the story.